Sally is a quality assurance manager at a food plant. Since her responsibilities have a big impact on public health and safety, Sally always looks for new ways to ensure her products have maximum shelf life and won't be recalled. That's why Sally uses Charm's novaLUM 2 ATP detection system. It can run a range of sanitation hygiene tests on one instrument detecting ATP from food, yeast, mold, and microorganisms on wet or dry surfaces. Super versatile, it can even be used with the Charm phosphatase test, which ensures dairy products are properly pasteurized. The novaLUM 2 system acts as Sally's personal assistant, helping her boost productivity and save money. Dashboard analytics with Excel graphing lets Sally manage data and metrics quickly and easily. Sally can add new swabbing locations right from the system's touchscreen. Wi-Fi connectivity automatically sends pre-op sanitation graphs to Sally's key personnel. The novaLUM 2 system integrates data to LIMS to document results and generates graphs for fast analysis of pass-fail percentages, so Sally never has to worry about failing an audit. Unlike photodiode systems, the novaLUM 2 system has a super-sensitive, advanced photomultiplier tube that detects low levels of ATP. It gives readings in 5 seconds, providing real-time results for immediate corrective action if the surface is not clean for production. Charm is more than a company. They're Sally's partner, investing through innovation, technology advancements, research and development, and customized solutions. To order a novaLUM 2 system today, or for more information, call 978-687-9200. Visit charm.com or simply fill out the contact form below. novaLUM 2, because nothing works like a charm.